Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Google Nest Wi-Fi to Xfinity, bridge mode, bypass and full setup guide. Step 1. Plug in the Xfinity modem. Plug your Xfinity gateway into a power outlet, then wait 2 to 3 minutes until the internet's light is solid. Second one is turn on bridge mode. Connect your phone or computer to your Xfinity Wi-Fi, then open a web browser and go to this URL. Then sign in with your Xfinity admin username and password. Then go to gateway and at a glance. Then turn bridge mode on. Confirm the change and wait for the gateway to reset. Then fourth is open the Google Home app. Open the Google Home app on your phone. Then sign in with your Google account. Then start the setup. Tap plus, then tap setup device, then tap new device. Then find the router. Select your home, then wait for the app to find a Google Nest Wi-Fi router. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the router, then create your Wi-Fi network. Enter a Wi-Fi name, create a Wi-Fi password, then tap next. Eighth one is finish the setup. Wait a few minutes while the app complete the setup. Your Google Nest Wi-Fi will connect to the internet automatically. Ninth is connect your device. Open the Wi-Fi setting on your device, then select your new Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password to connect. Thanks for watching.